Inside your callback function, you use the text content property on the dice parameter and assign it to the value of dice values array index. So let's access the parameter dice and then interpolate the property text content and then assign the value of dice values array with the index. So what it does is that the dice is a parameter we accessed from the list of all from the array list of all dice, and we access this parameter to create a content because we accessed it, and then with access, since it's a parameter, we have to modify and create a content, and that content would be assigned to the dice values array and its index. And this dice values array is from the function roll dice. So whatever it has resulted from rolling the dice, it will be displayed. It will be displayed and assigned to the dice parameter with the use of the text content. So that would be it. Nice.